Good morning to you all. My name is Dr. George Abraham. I am speaking from Chennai. I am honored and humbled by this invitation to inaugurate the Kidney Warriors Foundation virtual meeting today on Sunday, 19th, 2021. I like the theme which Adita did. It is called Om Namah Shivaya. I have been exposed to this from 1995 onwards by my late friends, Dr. Krishna Kumar of Coimbatore Ayurveda and late friend, one of the biggest speakers on Ramayana, and also Swami Vishnu Devananda, who is the founder of Shivananda Ashramam in Montreal, Canada. So Prema Pandrangan was one of the persons late who introduced the theme of Om Namah Shivayam to me. And I'm very happy to hear that again from Adita during a dance performance. Let me just take you to Vasundhara Raghavan. I have known her for many years. We honored her with an oration for the Tanker Foundation a few years ago. And also Kamal Shah, who is a robust and determined person to live his life through dialysis. And also I have known Biocon for many years, and the owner of Biocon and the chairperson of Biocon, and who is very close to me. And then let me take forward the scientific agenda. In our publication in Lancet, we said that we have 17% of the population having chronic kidney disease in India. So the prevalence of chronic kidney disease in India is 17%. And when you look at the high-risk population, that is people with diabetes, high blood pressure, previous history of kidney disease, people with cardiac disease, people with taking alternative medicine, and people who have a family history of kidney disease, the percentage may be much higher. These are the high-risk population we encounter in India. And we all know that high blood pressure and diabetes are widely prevalent in our country, and we need to take care of them. We need to expand our knowledge to the community about the control of high blood pressure and diabetes, and to advise them not to take alternative medicine which has not been documented to be of benefit. What is chronic kidney disease? Just to tell you that, in simple terms, it is a scar in the kidney which is slowly progressive, which is irreversible, and often asymptomatic until it reaches severe kidney failure. So the category of people I have already alluded to, who should be screened and who should be taken care. The particular focus should be on early detection and prevention. And with these programs by Vasundhara Raghavan through the Kidney Warriors Foundation, I am sure that people will become more aware about kidney disease, and also they will take care of themselves, and so that we can have a better India and a better population in our country without spending much money on kidney disease treatment, dialysis and transplantation. And we have a group of excellent speakers today. I welcome them to talk on the various aspects of kidney disease, followed by, so in the program, there are a variety of other issues and challenges, and we'll be focusing on that later during the day. And being a nephrologist who sees patients with kidney disease every day, and to take care of them, it is a great challenge in our country. Because with a population of 1.38 billion, 17% of the population do have chronic kidney disease. I can imagine the challenge we face, and the individuals and organizations like kidney foundations as well as Kidney Warrior Foundation are at the forefront to take this challenge forward and to give solace to people and to help them to tide over the crisis. And I hope many more such programs will be in the anvil in coming years. So we all join together to salute the Kidney Barrier Foundation and the virtual program today, and I wish it a very good success, and also look forward to many more such programs in future. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I inaugurate the session with these few words.